This is Robin with LeBon Beef Farm. Heather's on our way to get our 100 meat chicks from the post office. They just called. I was kind of expecting it to be early in the morning. It is definitely not early in the morning. We are more like noon. So I've got my gallon of magic water, except I don't have the cloves of garlic. We'll add it on the next batch. All I got is the honey and apple cider vinegar. Could not find the garlic offhand, and I want to make sure to get this water in here. So as soon as they get here, we'll have the water waiting them on them in the warm brooder. Light's been on, warming up. All right. So I'm going to get this closer. Good warm. I hear chicks.
So what do I do?
We take it out, and I'll show you. Let me get one. Go ahead and open up your box. Okay, so take one out. Deep in the water. It goes in the water, and then we put it underneath the hover brooder. That way it knows where the water's at. But it's going to want to be warm, most likely. I'll count for myself.
Water. Count them as you do it.
Our first meat birds ever. We are really excited about this. We ordered 100, plus it came with a mystery chick. So we have 104 plus the mystery chick. And they are all kind of doing different things. We have some under the brooder, but not very many. Some drinking. Really, this one is in the water. Inside it. And that one is too. And some eating. You want to hand me your box?
Be careful about the stuff on there.
Yeah, it's kind of best to slide your feet as you. Okay, so we will come check on them later. Make sure everybody continues to survive. It's warm enough here in North Louisiana. They should have no problem on a getting too cold side. We are approaching the first week of October, but we're still in the 90s here, so cold temperatures won't be a problem. So we'll just keep posting videos, and really excited to get them out on pasture and then get them in the freezer.